Do you know meditation helps you release endorphins, a natural pain reliever? It helps you release the pain. Meditation relaxes your muscles and the tissues around your joints. It takes your mind to a calmer state so you can feel less pain. All those painkillers and harmful pills we are taking to reduce pain are actually hurting us, and they just numb your nervous system so that you don't experience the pain. They do not eliminate the pain from the root level, and you will get a temporary solution out of those pills which will harm your other organs of body. However, to get a permanent solution which is sustainable, we have to meditate so that we remove the pain right from the root level. It's logical that to hit the pain, ache, discomfort from the root level, we have to understand where it originates from. Our mind is full of chaos, and a chaotic mind gives birth to many other troubles, which manifest on our physical body and takes physical form after a certain stage of chaos. Namaste, I'm Aisha, a certified meditation facilitator, inviting you to this combination of meditations which are designed to release and ease pain right from the root level. On regular practice of this meditation, you will get rid of that nagging pain, ache, discomfort and anxiety, and wish you a very healthy, pain-free life ahead. Should you have any questions or queries, feel free to WhatsApp me and I will be very happy to answer your questions. Hope to see you enroll for the course. Thank you. Namaste.